Hi everyone. If you are looking to clean up your system or upgrade your Java version, if you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to show you how to completely uninstall the JDK from your Windows machine. Now, search terminal. To check which version of JDK is installed, type java hyphen hyphen version. Enter. Now, Java 17 in my machine is installed. So don't worry, in your machine different version of Java is installed. So minimize the window and search control panel. Now click on program and features and search Java 17 kit. Java SE Development Kit 17. Right click and uninstall. Click on yes. Minimize the control panel. Now Java 17 is uninstalled and type Java hyphen hyphen version again. And now error is come, hence Java is JDK is uninstalled. Thank you for this video. Like and subscribe.